You're not looking.
You gotta look for your surprise.
You look real good.
Go look.
Turn around. Turn around.
Wait, don't. You gotta find your. There's some.
That's part of it, but that's not the basket.
Where's your basket?
What is my basket?
Your ladybug basket. Easter Bunny took your ladybug basket.
Oh. This.
No.
Turn around and look up.
Elizabeth, your ladybug basket. Remember your ladybug? Easter Bunny took it.
Oh.
And he put stuff in it.
What? A nut. Come on.
Really?
A nut.
Elizabeth.
My ladybug. Up there. Up there.
Is it up there?
Up there. Up there. See.
Do you want me to get it?
Get it.
What do you
Get it.
say?
Please. Mommy.
Oh.
Thank you.
What'd you get? Candy. Mm. Okay, we're not gonna open it right now. We're gonna eat breakfast first. But you can look and see what she got.
Thank you, Grandma.
I had nothing to do with it.
The Easter Bunny did
Bunny
this.
did that.
It's funny to do this.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Bunny.
What else did you get?
Grandma did.
No, I
No, Easter Bunny did it.
Oh. Look.
Wow, more candy.
Candy.
Yeah,
After
after
candy.
breakfast.
Look.
Wow.
A bunny.
Yeah, Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Yes. Good morning, Mitzi.
Good morning, Mommy.
What else?
Good.
What is that?
I don't know. It's a flower.
Look. Look.
See? Candy right here.
Yeah.
That's like candy.
Yeah. Can't have it right. No, you eat breakfast first.
Okay.
You talking to hi, Daddy? Say Happy Easter.
Look!
What do you have? More candy.
More candy. More candy. More candy.
Yeah.
This book is my new best friend.
Mommy.
I think Grandma, after she eats breakfast, wants some jelly beans.
Oh. I did. Oh.
Ooh, those are good. Those have chocolate in them.
Yeah. That was chocolate. So.
What else do you have in there?
No.
No, leave that in there.
Mercy.
No.